I don't want to hear the man was not meant to meddle medley.
Told him, hey, listen to this.
Hey, I don't want to hear your fucking war stories. Fuck you.
Look, Frank, I don't want to hear it.
If anybody has any problem, I don't want to hear about it. I don't want to hear it again in this century, ever again.
I'm sorry. I know you don't want to hear about Peter's stuff, but I guess I needed to talk to someone I thought might understand.
I want to hear your excuses.
Over this marriage does
I don't want
not
to hear
work.
the reasons anymore, Chris.
Marriage.
But Chief, I could explain. I don't want to hear it.
You don't want to hear the other options?
Okay.
That's disgusting. I don't want to hear it.
I want to hear who's on first. All I care about is understanding your jokes.
Wait. I got a hella bit.
Look, I don't want to hear about you going into New York again.
Don't want to hear any of your anti-establishment paranoia.
To meet.
I don't want to hear this.
I don't want to hear about it anymore. You don't want to hear nigga, but you about to bail on me because I won't tell you some ugly shit the nigga said?
I don't want to hear it, Tyrone.
Well, you don't want to hear this from some schmuck who needs a ride home.
But I don't want to hear it because it hurts my ears.
You don't want to hear the details. So what?
I don't want to hear any fucking shit, and I don't...
So I don't want to hear any more of this small change shit.
I don't want to hear any more of this, okay? I told you not.
I don't want to hear about you drinking, and I don't feel like getting you out of jail.
Hey, no, I know you don't want to hear this right now, but everything happens for a reason.
I don't want to hear that talk tonight.
I don't want to hear it.
This is bullshit.
I have said everything that I came here to say, but they don't want to hear it.
I don't want to hear any more lies.
I didn't kill her father, and now people are telling me all these things I don't want to hear.
I don't want to hear any more about it.
I don't want to hear about any more violence at the table because I'm eating and I'm digesting, so stop it.
And you don't want to hear the rest.
Please, I don't want to hear about your digestive problems.
I don't want to hear any more of it.
Now, I don't want to hear another word from you. Is that clear?
I don't want to hear any more about penises.